Bitcoin has been holding its position above 88K, but does it have the strength to get past 90K? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 6:05 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 88,282. Starting off here with the 2-week chart, this closes tomorrow, and right now we still have a red candle. We ate up some of it. It was a way larger candle. We actually had lost the 50 moving average, which is at 85,957 at some point. Maybe we could keep on going up from here to tomorrow. Things look a little bit more bullish today, but if we close like this could be tweezer tops, and we could be heading for more downside, possibly towards this 80 moving average at 64,637. Now the weekly chart also closes tomorrow. You can see we're having like an indecisive wick here. We've popped up from the 100 moving average, which is at $85,109. Stochastics are low. It's kind of in between. We could roll over, or we could continue going up. Hopefully we could continue going up and get past this 80 moving average at 90,930. Now if we take a look at the 3-day chart, the stochastics, as you can see, it's like a little slanted. This could roll over, it could continue going up. This candle closes today in about an hour, and right now we're getting a green candle. We're trying to make it back above the 200 moving average at 89,198, and if we could close like this could actually be tweezer bottoms. And I want to show you something here on the 2-day chart. I've been telling you guys, I'm thinking that this could be some type of a double bottom. We see the stochastics are starting to curve back up. This candle also closes in about an hour, so we could be heading back to the 21 moving average at 91,250, and if this is a double bottom, we could probably make it towards this 200 moving average. Let's take a look at what the measured move would be of this double bottom. I have a lot of patterns here, so it looks a little cluttered, but more or less pretty much exactly to that 200 moving average at 101,491. I'm gonna take that off for now, but let's keep a mental note about that double bottom that I've been speaking about for a while, so we have a chance for that. Now on the daily chart, the stochastics have reset and we are on the way up. This is looking good. Yesterday we closed a green engulfing candle. As you can see, today's candle, we zoom in, it's hardly a candle. It's like an indecisive green candle, and the lowest we went down today was 87,795. The highest has been 88,573, so not much movement. But with the stochastics being low, we could at least go back to retest that 21 moving average. It's not too far, it's at 89,591, but we could possibly go and test now this 50 moving average, and that's at 93,597. Again, we have resistance around 94,500. That's what we really want to break, but if we can make a move back up above this 21 moving average, that would help out the double bottom theory here for the 2-day chart towards this 200 moving average. Now the 22-hour chart, stochastics are getting toppy. We have not been able to get above this 21 moving average yet, so things could start rolling over. We've been maintaining our position here. As long as we don't go below 87,500, I think we would be okay. On the 12-hour chart, stochastics are also getting toppy, so we have to start getting above that 21 moving average as soon as possible. 10-hour chart looks a little bit better. We are above the 21 moving average. 8-hour chart, toppy. We are above it, not by much, the 21 moving average. On the 4-hour chart, we're also toppy here. Now this is looking to me like some type of a flag. Now yesterday on the 1-hour chart, I had given you guys a possible inverted head and shoulder here, left shoulder, head, and I was saying that this is the right shoulder. I believe that's still in play. This could take you to about 93K. Check out yesterday's episode for that, but I actually switched this over now to a flag because this right shoulder kind of looks a little bit elongated, so this kind of looks like a flag to me. And if I put on the patterns, let's take a look at it on the 4-hour chart. We see that the measured move takes us to about 92,300. So either or, I would say the inverted head and shoulder from yesterday could take us close to 93, or we could do this flag setup on the 1-hour or 4-hour chart that could break us out to about 92 and change. So both setups to me are valid. Guys, take a look at the description. I have a link to Bitunix. In there, they're giving a crazy promotion where they could give you $400 of instant rewards. All you have to do is deposit and make a trade, and you could get up to $400. So check out the link in the description and sign up. The last day to do this is December 23rd, so we don't have much time. So now we head over to the 45-minute chart. Stochastics are toppy as well. 30-minute chart. Here we're starting to see some type of reversal. As you can see, we've just been dragging here very long here for a long time, just sideways. 15-minute chart, it looks like we're on the way up. I feel like this is about to break out at some point. This looks like a pretty good flag. It actually looks to me kind of like an ascending triangle. As you can see, we keep on getting lower lows, and this is flat on top. That's an ascending triangle. So I would say that Bitcoin is looking to break out. It looks like we want to go at least test 90K. If we could break above 90K, look out for 92, 93K. The real test though is going to be at 94,500. If we could break above that, I do expect us to try to make a run towards 100K. Next week is Christmas, so you never know, we might be getting that Santa rally. All right, guys, that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.